super excited. So I was away on vacation. We had a lovely time in Maine, but now I'm back and I can show you my ambassador package for this month. So I'm super excited to share that with you. So let's go down to the table and check it out. Alrighty, here we are, friends. I'm so excited. So this is August. I was away, for like 2 weeks in August. We went on a family vacation and visited some colleges with our oldest. So I'm just getting around to this now, so sorry for the delay. So without further ado, let's go see what I have. Super exciting. Thank you, Jesse James Beads. So I get my little card that tells me everything that I have in my kit. So this month we have so many fun things. All right, look at these check potato pearl dark olive pearls. Oh, how beautiful are these? Wow. I don't know if you can see them through the bag, but they're nice and heavy. Look at how pretty those are. Very lovely. Very lovely. All right. We've got their Tensa bead pair in holographic haze. Oh, wow. These are just absolutely, make sure I'm on camera there, gorgeous. Look at how pretty those are. Wow. Yes, absolutely beautiful. And then we have, I don't know if you've ever heard of Carry a Bead, but I just think this is a really neat organization. So this is Carry a Bead, if I can get it out. So next time you go for a hike, you carry a bead. So they have, it's a group, and then you get 2 beads, one for you and one for a special needs child who's in the hospital and stuff, for beads of courage. And you carry your bead, carry both of the beads when you do something unique. Like this one, they're asking you to go on a hike. And they help children and teens coping with serious illness stay encouraged during their treatment. So each time they go to the hospital for a treatment, they get a bead, and they have these beautiful long necklaces where they have all their beads from their different trips to the hospital and stuff. So that's their way of giving. So I write a little note, and then the kid knows it came from me. And there's a bag and a fun sticker, and Beads of Courage sticker, one of my favorite companies. Thank you, Jesse James. I love those. I got one of those in my summer camp pack too, so I need to make sure I send both of those back. So this month's bead pack is a Color Trends bead mix called Peacock. So let's open it up and see what we've got. I love these blues and purples and greens. So beautiful. They're so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Look at this fun filigree pieces. And this pale green and blues. I think they match my shirt that I'm wearing today. And purples, all kinds of fun things. I can't wait to see what I will do for my Design on the Fly challenge with these challenge with these beads. So yeah, so thanks for joining me. So make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel here, Scott Nader. I'm Amber from Mountain E Creations, and I am a Jesse James Beads ambassador, and this is my August kit. So come back to see more videos, to find out what I make, and to see more awesome beads from Jesse James and Jewel Loom and different companies. All right, have a great day.